Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now click open. Here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in, or you can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And your Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.